so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video we have the FabFitFun unboxing for fall 2020. I will leave my FabFitFun playlist to watch previous unboxings. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. FabFitFun is $50 a quarter. You get 8 full-size items and each box retails for at least over $200. And next to me I have a huge box full of add-ons. I don't even remember what I got, to be honest. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. For the first category, we were able to choose from a wide variety of products, and I picked up the BOXYCHARM New York Trigger backpack, and it retails for $100. This backpack is a little bit smaller than I anticipated that it was going to be. For $100, this backpack better put itself on and be magical like Dora the Explorer's. It's not as deep, but I think it could at least fit my needs for it, just like my wallet, my phone, even my vlogging camera, and then just like emergency necessities like chapstick, feminine products, a moisturizer, and then we got some zipper pockets, which maybe is good for sunglasses. I don't think I would put a credit card in here. I feel like someone would just try to swipe it open and dig right in. But I mean, she's cute. She'd be cute going to concerts and Carowinds with. Unfortunately, all that stuff isn't happening right now due to COVID. The other products that you could have chose from, by the same brand, there was this tote bag, and I almost picked it up, but I have so many tote bags. That's mainly why I chose the backpack, to change it up a bit. The tote retails for $128. Or you could have chose the Foxy Bay 25mm curling wand, and it retails for $99. Or you could have chose the Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid eyeliner and huge extreme lash mascara that retails for $45. Or you could have chose the Uncommon James set of 2 copper canisters. Or you could have chose the Sacha One styling cream and finishing cream that retails for $65. Or the Mia Milage foldable cotton basket, and I think I actually added that on. I've actually been wanting a basket similar to this. That way I can store some of my blankets for the downstairs. And then from category number 2, I chose the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum, and it retails for $65. I have not tried many products from Dr. Dennis Gross. I actually heard of the brand from Catherine. She introduced me to both Rodial and Dr. Dennis Gross, both 2 bougie skincare brands. For AM or PM use, apply as an all-over treatment on clean, dry skin. For best results, follow with a moisturizer of your choice from Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. I'm really excited to give this a shot. I do struggle finding a good serum that works out for my skin in my skincare routine, so I definitely have high hopes for this, and you get 1 fluid ounce. I could always use some more pore perfecting. I feel like as I'm getting older, my pores are being more and more visible, as well as refining. I have a lot of texture going on right now. I am not sure what is causing it. Other products from category 2, you could have chose Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity Scarf, or you could have chose the Glossmetics hair removal device. I'm looking at it and I'm like, I didn't even realize that was a choice. I've been wanting to try a at-home hair removal device. Hope that comes back in add-ons or as a choice item next go around. I'm definitely curious. Or you could have chose the Soya and Kayo woven scarfigan with fringe, the Volitian Beauty Celery Green Cream, or the Erno Laszlo Pore Cleansing Clay Mask, which I've actually received either in add-ons or in a previous box. The third product that I chose are the Nectar Sunglasses Blue Light Blocking Glasses, and they retail for $45. I am a huge fan of blue light blocking glasses. I actually own a few pairs already. I have a pair from Key Australia, and then recently picked up one from Dime Optics because they collabed with SS Sniper Wolf, and I always really liked that style that she wore, and it was one of the styles in her collab, so I definitely had to pick that up. Uh-oh. I think there's something wrong. It's very tight. I don't know. I might need to reach out, or unless if it needs to be broken in. Almost can't even put these on with my lashes. Things definitely look a little bit more yellow. Yeah, these are very crooked. They kind of feel super flimsy compared to the other blue light glasses that I have. I'm a little disappointed. I'll have to reach out to FabFitFun to see if they can send me out a new pair, just because glasses arms should not be this difficult or that flimsy for that matter, so I just feel like this might be a dud. Other items from category 3 could have chose the Jenny Bird Austin Cuff, the Jenny Bird Leanna Pendant, the Vitamasks Multivitamin Mask Set, or the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Puddin' palette, which I already own, and I really enjoy that palette a lot. Since I'm a select member, I was able to customize in category 4 and 5. For category 4, I chose the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel that retails for $22. I absolutely love this product. I'm actually running low with the deluxe sizes that I have, so I took the opportunity to customize with this full size. For me, it does a really nice job setting my brows. It definitely leaves more of a crunch feel, which I like because I pick up my brows. It's just a nervous anxiety habit that I have, so it does cause my brows to be a little bit more sparse. Also from category 4, you could have customized with the Mason Tops glass water bottle, the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream, the Feel Beauty Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser, or the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub, which I think I have received in a previous FabFitFun, or maybe I'm getting it confused with IPSY, BOXYCHARM. I get a lot of boxes. And then from category 5, I picked out the Liquid RX Stress Reliever 100% Natural Hair Oil, and it retails for $75. I have been enjoying embracing my natural hair. My hair has never been this soft or smooth ever. I haven't put any heat to it since I have chopped it off. I have been focusing on my hair care and just really loving this natural curl that my hair has been giving off as opposed to damaging it with the straightener. Give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. I was just going to put it in my hair and call it a day for some smoothness and hydration. Luckily, I'm not stressing out my hair nearly as much anymore. It's just perfecting parts of the hair that doesn't want to curl as much, like the back of my hair. And then this part is just because it's a second day curl and it's just struggling a little bit. Also from category 5, you could have picked out the Hip Coterie Set, the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil, the 8 Other Reasons Runaway Clip Trio, or the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes, which we have seen those before in the past. Now, the other 3 products FabFitFun picked out for us. The 6th item is the Laundress New York Crease Release that retails for $16. It's supposed to easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabrics with this spray. All right. Cool. I don't really need an item like this. This will probably go to Griffin. Could have also received the Vosh New York Pedicure in a Box Duo, or the Spongel Box Flower and Sweet Cedarwood, which we have received a bunch of Spongels in FabFitFun. From category 7, FabFitFun picked out the Stone Candles Room Spray and Pumpkin Spice. Ooh, that smells awesome. I definitely smell the cinnamon in it, not as much the pumpkin and vanilla. This definitely has me in the fall mood. Low-key was hoping for the first product in category 7, which is by Nature Lab, the Tokyo Perfect Repair Treatment Mask. Oh wait, I didn't realize there were 2 options of room sprays. I got the room spray and Santal Noir. I'm a little sad I didn't get the pumpkin one. Either way, it smells great. And then category 8, this is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk in the shade Blind Date. Ooh, it's actually very pretty. Oh wow, that's actually really pretty. That's what the liquid highlighter looks like. I definitely see myself wanting to give this a shot. It has a beautiful rose gold shade to it. Those are my favorite highlighter shades, and it's blending out nice. Just using my finger. It's not just staying in one area or just creating that awkward line. It was actually sitting there for a while, so this actually seems very promising. Usually liquid highlighters, they don't want to budge after you put it on. Wonder how it would look mixed with like foundation, if that might be too much glow. Overall, I am excited about my FabFitFun. The backpack was adorable. This room spray smells very good. I'm very curious to see how this wrinkle release spray is going to perform. I'm excited to try out my new skincare and hair care items. The only product I am not feeling right now are these blue light glasses. They're just not flexible right now, so I need to reach out to FabFitFun to see. Yeah, there's something wrong with this right handle. Hopefully they can send me out a replacement and that it will actually perform to how I want it to be. Otherwise, if I'm stuck with this, it's a loss for me. I think that it's very cute and adorable. It's just, yeah, it's crooked. It keeps wanting to shift that way. And we're not done there. We got all these add-ons. Well, this is kind of sad how small this is. I thought it was gonna fit some blankets in here, but I guess I could put some washcloths in here for like the guest bathroom or something. It is tiny. Was not expecting that. I picked up the Green Caviar Wang Zhu toner. I am really enjoying this brand. I receive a lot of their products in my Face Story Luxe Plus boxes. Their oil cleanser is to die for. It is my absolute favorite when I'm double cleansing. I definitely want to try more of their products, and I got really excited seeing their products in the add-ons. We're also seeing this brand a lot. This is by Gloss Me, the hydrating shampoo and conditioner. I got their hydrating mask and their foam dry shampoo and BOXYCHARM add-ons. I'm very excited to test out this brand to see what they can do for these curls. I picked up this mask from Christopher Robin. Oh wait, Christoph Robin. Wow, I feel like honor right there. Christopher! It's Christoph! My bad. I'm gonna set this aside for a future giveaway. Recently hit 2K and I'm currently working on my 2K giveaway. Again by Wang Zhu, these are the Sakura Peeling Radiance pads. I have tried some of their pads. It's in blue packaging, so I wanted to see how the pink packaging worked out. Picked up something from Summer and Rose. I'm not too sure what it is. Are they sunglasses? They are! Oh, that's hilarious. I thought I took these out. Because I just got those Tom sunglasses in the summer box and I'm obsessed. Oh, okay, I see why I kept them. They look and feel bougie. No issues with these glasses. I really like the style. Okay, I'm glad that I kept them in. Another brand that I see in Face Story, this is by the brand Sorcy. This is the Morning Drizzle. I really enjoyed this spray to refresh my makeup throughout the day. It smells good, it has a nice spray radius, and just enough product is dispensed. This is going to come in handy with that cooler weather right around the corner. Again from Sorcy, this is the Morning Drizzle Calming Cream. I can't decide if I'm going to keep this as a backup because I really like this moisturizer a lot in the mornings. It hydrates and moisturizes my face really nice, especially in the summer and the hotter months because I do get a little bit more oily then. Again by Sorcy, this is their sleep mask. I have not tried this out yet, but I love a good sleep mask, and since I really enjoy this brand, I have high hopes that the sleep mask is going to work out. I picked up the Aesthetica setting spray. I believe this was like $6, so I could not resist a setting spray at that price, and I go through setting sprays so quick that I'm always needing to replenish. This product is missing the cap, and it also feels a little bit light, so I'm not sure if it leaked in the box. This is an argan and hemp oil therapy leave-in treatment and detangler. I really enjoy leave-in treatments after I wash my hair just to add that extra hydration and moisture. I think it's also been contributing to how smooth my hair has been as well lately. I did pick up the water bottle. Okay, it's been a hot minute since I've picked up any tumbler, but I'm definitely trying to drink more water. I used to pick up a tumbler like literally every week it seemed like. I was trying to drink a bottle of water every single hour, and I know that's super wasteful, but my ice machine was acting up and I really need my water to be ice cold. This was mainly an impulse buy. I like the color, and I felt like since I haven't bought one in a while, might as well get one on add-ons because it's going to be at a really good price. I guess I need all the detangler, so I picked up another one, and it too is missing its cap. I picked up this dry shampoo duo. I definitely did go a little hair care crazy overboard just because I am trying to take better care of my hair, and I'm always down for more dry shampoo because I go through it rather quickly. Well, if the one hair oil that I got in my box doesn't work out, I got this one by R&Co. I got this blackhead removing mask from Grace and Stella. My pores have been acting up really bad. Grace and Stella has really been growing on me. We see them a lot in FabFitFun and BOXYCHARM, and so far all their products have worked out for me. And then by Rodial, I picked up the Dragon's Blood mask. As I mentioned, this was one of the brands that Catherine got me into. I have really been enjoying it. It's super bougie, way inflated in price, so to see them in add-ons, for me it's like a steal. I really like the Dragon Blood line. I use their micellar water. Again, super bougie, but it's just really nice. It's like a luxury experience, and I'm sure that's what this mask is gonna be like too. But that takes nothing away from my beloved pink cap Garnier micellar water. That stuff is the shiz. Finally able to try the CEO oil by Sunday Riley. I'm a little sad because I was blindsided by Sunday Riley. It says turmeric, and I do have some sensitivity to it, so this is actually probably going to be part of the 2K giveaway as well. Based off the blue light glasses experience, I should have just went with these or that at-home hair removal kit, but I'm just a sucker for masks and I couldn't resist. Maybe I'll actually put these in the 2K giveaway as well. As I mentioned, I picked this up in BOXYCHARM add-on, so this will be in the giveaway as well. This is by Glossy Me, the hydrating mask. By Gen Skin, these are under eye patches. I love eye patches. I love the Skin Iceland ones. I normally buy them during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. This is like the first time I have not bought them because I knew I had some coming, so I passed on those and stick with these. Part of me really wanted to buy some because I'm just impulsive like that, but I'm very proud of myself just sticking with these. I also picked up these Saneige glycolic acid pads. This is a rebuy. I actually picked these up during one of those IPSY offers and I really enjoyed them. At first I had a little bit of sensitivity to it by having like a slight tingle or burn like the first 2 times I used it. So I thought I was having a reaction, and then by like the 3rd time, it was just my skin building a tolerance to it. It worked out really nice with my texture, and I'm having really bad texture right now, so these are definitely going to go into the rotation ASAP. This is also a rebuy by Sorosio. This is the Rice Toner. I am really enjoying this toner right now. It smells nice. It does a really nice job getting the initial hydration and moisture back to my skin after cleansing it. I'm going through my current bottle rather quickly, so once that one is used up, this one's gonna go right back in. So I definitely went a little add-on crazy, but I have to tell this story. I get a call from my girl Jackie Naturals saying that she needs help cutting down her cart, which was nice because I had like maybe $300 and something in my cart, and I was able to knock it down to like $150. That's a lot of items for that price that I paid. So she sent me screenshots of her cart of all the items that she had, and essentially she wanted me to talk her out of some of the products. And I was a little bit biased with some of my answers because some of the products that she had in her cart were ones that I had in my cart. So I was a little bit more hesitant on telling her to remove some of those. But I'm laughing at the eye patches. I think the max that you could put in your cart was 3 of each. I was cracking up because there are 30 pairs in a pack. That's like a month's supply if you use them every single day for a month. I use them maybe twice a week. She just had me rolling. She had 3 of each of the eye patches in her cart. It just gave me a good chuckle. But it was really good because I knew I needed to cut down on my cart. I had a bunch of stuff. Like, this was already overwhelming as it is. I couldn't even imagine if I was still unboxing all this because that FabFitFun box was 16 pounds. But this happens every single time. Like, we were talking today about BOXYCHARM add-ons as well. She was like, how did you spend less than me? Normally I'm the one going AWOL because it's such a good deal. Plus I'm stocking up on items for giveaways. There's a lot of new makeup releases coming out that really are catching my attention. The holiday releases are starting up as well. Looking at you, Marc Jacobs cherry set. Oh my gosh, absolutely adorable. And then of course the annual Hourglass face palette that I'm probably going to pick up. I usually pick it up every single year because I have FOMO. We were on the phone for a while going through all of it. We have had a lot of intense phone calls lately. IPSY did us dirty too. I'm still mad at IPSY. That's why you haven't seen an IPSY video for a while. I actually touched briefly on it on my last live. Whenever I get my IPSYs in, I'll go into like the full details of what happened and why I'm on the fence about IPSY. I would love to know if you guys get FabFitFun. What items did you customize with? Did you get any of the same items as me? Do your blue light glasses work okay? I would like to know. I'm a little sad about this dud that I got. What products did you add on? Did you add on more lifestyle, or did you lean towards like the skincare and hair care like I did? And are you guys looking forward to the winter box? I know I am. Winter is also my favorite. I wish this box was a little bit more fall. I didn't feel like the summer one was as summery. This one not as fall-y. I would like to see some riding boots. And then put some Uggs in the winter box. I'd like to have my first pair of Uggs. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.